Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you 2 easy ways to check the bio of any YouTube channel, including their social links, website or store. Let's start with method 1. If you are watching a video, just tap the channel name below the title. This takes you to their main channel page. Now tap the More tab. You will see the channel's description or bio. Scroll down and you will find all their links like their website, social media or shop. Tap any link to open it in your browser. Now let's try method 2. Tap the search icon at the top of the YouTube app. Type the channel's name and search. Once you see it, tap View Channel. Then again go to the More tab. Scroll down and you will find their bio and links. That's it, super simple. If this helped, consider subscribing. I upload easy tutorials for the apps you use every day. See you in the next video.